my students, how are you? This is your English teacher, Aya Raja. Today, inshallah, we will do some exercises from workbook. And the aim of our lesson, students should be able to answer some questions. Let's start. Exercise number 1. Choose 6 words or phrases to complete the sentences. سنختار من هنا كلمات أو مقاطع حتى نكمل الجمل. Number 1. If it's very cold, you need a coat. Number 2. Yes, who can answer? Thank you. If you put too much salt in your soup, it tastes awful. It tastes awful. يصبح طعمه فظيع. If you put a bottle of water into the freezer, the bottle breaks. Thank you. تنكسر الزجاجة. Thank you. Number 4. My brother's birthday is on the 21st of June. Thank you. Number 5. If you eat too much chocolate, you feel sick. Thank you. Number 6. It's Pam's 15th birthday on Sunday. Let's get her a car. Thank you. Let's move to the next question. Here there is a word missing from these sentences. هناك كلمة مفقودة من هذه الجمل. Write each sentence with a word from the books in the correct place. سنضع هذه الكلمات هنا في هذه الجمل لتصبح جملة صحيحة. Here we have speaks. 11th. Sleep. If poor, need. Okay. Here, number 1. Is your birthday on the 10th or the? Yes, here the answer. Is your birthday on the 10th or the 11th? Thank you. Number 2. If you hot water on ice, it melts. Yes, who can correct the sentence? Yes, thank you. If you pour hot water on ice, it melts. pour معناها تسكب الماء الساخن على الجليد. It melts. يذوب. Number 3. If it rains, you don't to water the garden. Yes, the correct sentence. If it rains, you don't need to water the garden. Okay. Number 4. If everybody at the same time, I cannot understand anyone. The answer. If everybody speaks at the same time, I cannot understand anyone. Thank you. The next. Plants have no life. They cannot grow. The best answer. If plants have no life, they cannot grow. Thank you. The last one. If it's very cold, some animals all winter. Yes. If it's very cold, some animals sleep all winter. Thank you. Let's move. Here, find and write the words. Okay. Here we have phrases. لدينا مقاطع يجب أن نركب هذه المقاطع لنكون الكلمات. The first one, pepper. Okay, who can give me a word from here? Thank you. Chopsticks. Thank you. Another word. Waiter. Thank you. Napkin. Thank you. Another answer. Birthday. Thank you. Another word. Proteins. Thank you. Let's move. Here, complete the sentences with the words from activity 1. سنكمل هذه الجمل بالكلمات في activity 1 بالتمرين الذي سبقه. Okay. Number 1. Don't put so much pepper in your soup because it gets too hot. Do you remember what's the meaning of pepper? Yes, full. Thank you. Number 2. We went to a Chinese restaurant last weekend and I learned how to eat with chopsticks. Thank you. The next one. Can you ask the waiter for a glass of water, please? Thank you. Waiter. Do you remember what's the meaning of waiter? Yes, النادل. The next. Proteins are very important because they give you energy. Thank you. Give you energy. Energy means طاقة. Before you drink, you should use your napkin to wipe your mouth. Napkin means منديل. To wipe لتمسح فمك. Thank you. Have a nice day. Big bye. كل عام وأنتم بخير جميعا.